So some fillet steaks, let's go with a big one for today. Sea salt's definitely better for the flavour. Some soya, very light amount. I believe in this little cupboard. Some Worcester sauce, cayenne, spicy paprika, fire a bit over, get in those pierced holes. So let's get in the Tupperware. Soak up the rest of what's there. Because it's dark soya, the ratio I'm doing is just about the one. All in there. Also, soya's usually got a lot of salt content as well. I've already added sea salt, so with the Worcester, I like a good bit of Worcester. There's one blending in with it. 2. So that's definitely in. There's still plenty. Give it a good mix, soak it through. Ooh. No lazy garlic, which would be great. Can't be bored finding garlic cloves. So the only thing I could manage to find was some garlic salt. I definitely prefer garlic paste or lazy garlic for sure. Just a little bit in there for flavour. Garlic even gets soaked back in there. Conceal all that, and that's going to be good. And it will be accompanied by already chopped onions and some potatoes, and whatever left of peppers I had from the previous meal, just put it in to use them up. And for that mixing in, especially for the potatoes, I've got a little garlic butter spread that you get in your supermarkets in the butter aisle. Come packs of 4, I think they're about £1. Great flavour, that's what that's going for. Plus extra garlic I suppose will help with the steak. Lovely. Well, the longest thing it's going to be taking is the potatoes. This was going in first. drink after all that hard work. I got some gloves. That's right on now. I'm sure I read saying not to put it on the flames, but hey, I'll get another if I have to. Believe it or not, I got a phone call after buying the tarp and stuff for the shelter, and I was coming down, the sunshine was like getting a couple of videos done. I was even thinking of doing others for the trees in that video, and been invited to a roast dinner in a couple of hours time, but it wasn't putting me off doing this. And believe me, I am eating this, and then I am going up to get showered, get the smoke off me, and get ready and go over and have our Sunday roast. Diet starts tomorrow, but hey, I've been working hard today making this shelter. So while the potatoes are boiling, let's get a look at this shelter. There it is. So we've got a lot of vegetation on it, still more to come. The only reason we're covering it from this end really is because there's a walkway across there. Usually dog walkers and that. I doubt they're going to come across the water to get out to it and wreck it. But that's why I haven't put too much effort in. All that hard work going to waste if some idiot comes and wrecks it. By all means enjoy it of course, but don't wreck it. I'm going to type something up and write that. But from this side, you see I've got the Gore-Tex bivy bag lying out. Gives you an idea that there's more than enough room. Obviously the weight of the foliage there is bringing it down, but still plenty of headroom. Uneven ground, so the next thing would be to make a raised ground bed if I feel the need for it. But really I'm just glad to have shelter so I can come down here with less stuff in the back and enjoy the woods more. Potatoes are boiling away. Steak's getting on. That steak's now well marinated for a few hours due to all the hard work here. Let's go this side. These things happen. Sterilizer. And I did biomedical science for a year, taught my chemistry to get me into dietetics and nutrition, petri dishes, in the science lab. You do a quick swab, and it could be E. coli inside it or some other bacteria. We're swabbing it on the petri dish, quick flame, and it was done. I just like to be thorough. get this in. I like all this char grilled. This is what you're all waiting for. It's marinating beautifully. Those onions cooking up there. Starting to smell it now. Get it back up that way. It was actually getting a little heat there. Ah, there we go. It's a Worcester. It's because there's not as much lazy garlic on it. And it goes. Why not? Now that'll be going on the coals itself to get the smokiness. In fact, that's what I'll do just now. Actually, I should have done that. Let that sizzle. These are done. I'll come back to this. Just want that smokiness. There you go. Those hot coals and the flavour. Some fresh smoke. Let's see what we get. Mmm. Very tender. Old habits die hard. You know what? Sterilize that. Sterilize the cutlery with boiling water. Oh, lovely. Very soft. They're ready. Just line them in there. Cool. And basically mash them up and get them soaked in the garlic butter. The garlic butter was originally intended for the potatoes alone, but you may as well keep it real and do what you want to do in the time. Just mash it in beautifully. The rest of the Worcester sauce, the garlic, salt. What else did we have in there? Spicy paprika, cayenne pepper, don't know how to pronounce it, apologies. Soya, 1 tablespoon of soya, 3 of Worcester sauce, and that little garlic butter. Mash it all in. Ooh, that smoke in there. Lovely. So why not eat it under the shelter? It says quite well cooked, just a little pink in the centre, but it's like stew's been cooking in the slow cooker for hours. It's so tender. Oh. Beautiful. Give myself a pat in the back. That is good. So soft. It's just so soft. Cut right through it. There's not even any sign of pink. I didn't have it on long, a couple of minutes each side. But the sauces and everything have penetrated through well, and they've just stuck beautifully even through the cooking. Absolutely gorgeous. There's some of these other flavours on here. There's sauce and garlic butters everywhere. Gorgeous. Anyway folks, I always feel as if I'm torturing you at this point. It's so good, but I'm going to have to go. Once I eat this, get the fire out, tidy up, head up, get washed and ready, and the next hour and a half to 2 hours I'm going to be eating a chicken roast dinner. So I actually haven't ate all day except for a Nutri-Grain bar, so I'm doing alright in all this hard work. I think I should be alright. Good 2 hearty meals for the day, can't beat it. But thanks for watching again guys. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs up. And give us that subscribe if you wish, because there's plenty more coming, as I keep saying, now that I've got this. Night time in the woods, cooking, fires, see what wildlife we can get, you name it, it's all coming. So hit the sub button, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.